Jeff Berry, No Dogs Left Behind. This is Sheena. Sheena, you're beautiful. Approximately 3 years old, maybe 4 years old. Sheena was rescued by brave activists at No Dogs Left Behind, heading to be slaughtered. I have no words. I mean, words speak for itself. I mean, videos, pictures speak for itself. What an incredible dog. Oh, come here, sweetie. You're so beautiful. Wow. I would trust her with anyone. We need to adopt dogs like Sheena into their forever loving home. You're so sweet, Sheena. You're so sweet. You want a treat? You want a treat, Sheena? Sheena, you want a treat? Gentle with taking treats. Sheena. You want a treat? No food aggression whatsoever. So sweet and gentle. We can't continue to intercept dog trafficking trucks and shut down slaughterhouses without getting dogs like Sheena into their forever loving home. She's got white paws. I mean, she's beautiful. You're beautiful, Sheena. Sheena, you're so sweet. Sheena, can I take you for a walk? Can I take you for a walk, Sheena? Good girl, Sheena. Good girl, Sheena. Wow. Wow. You're so good, Sheena. Here you go, sweetie. Help No Dogs Left Behind find Sheena a forever loving home. Please contact No Dogs Left Behind Adoptions to get dogs like Sheena and Sheena into a forever loving home. Oh God, she's so sweet. I love you, Sheena. We're gonna find you a home. Can you please help me find a home? Jeff Berry, No Dogs Left Behind, Sheena.